Mako Ikeda. Today's Mako-chan's Nuru is do-it-yourself. Yes, and this time I tried making this storage shelf with 100 yen goods. Here it is. Ta-da! Well, I actually made this shelf last time too, but last time it was a bit more compact. This time it's a bit taller, and also this part can be pulled out, yes. Like this, I arranged various things such as accessories, nails, cosmetics, and so on. I tried to make it so that I could organize them. These are the things I bought and prepared for this time. There are some difficult parts this time, but it's convenient and light anyway. Please consider it as a reference. Now, let's take a look at how to make it. Makoto channel starts. First, I will explain from the parts that will become the ingredients. First, prepare 2 of these and 3 of these boxes. And there is a long wood like this sold in the cereal, but prepare this. This time I am painting with a slightly white water-based paint from Celia. I paint other parts without painting the bottom and inside surfaces. And this palette is also white. I fill it with a color called Earth White. Please do this to your liking. And this is a piece of wood from Celia, but I cut it to this length. And this wood, you can cut 3 pieces from 1 stick, but this length is roughly this. This part is facing down and I put the box of that size here. There is a part that is dented here, but I insert this wood there. I will fix it with glue later. But at this time, make sure that this wood and the box do not stick together. By inserting this and raising it, I create a gap here and make it easy to move this drawer pull. And because this is here, this wood is fixed, so it also serves as reinforcement. So as a way of measuring, align this long wood like this and hold it like this and the gap between this and the wood, about 1 or 2 millimeters. In a hollow state, measure this gap and mark it here with a claw or something. Once you've marked it, cut from where you've marked with a cutter and draw lines all over like this. And yes, this is also a cereal, but I cut it with a cereal saw. This time I cut it. I tried using this, but if it's a cereal saw, it cut very well, so I think it's better for those who have a home center or something selling it at home to use that. Also, when cutting, I recommend fixing it by stacking another piece of wood on top like this, because it makes it very easy to cut. And prepare 4 pieces of wood of that length. Yes. Finally, after cutting, rub it with this kind of file. This is sold at Daiso, but please make this bumpy surface a little smoother by rubbing it in this way. Yes, first of all. This time I would like to start from this wooden box. First of all, this wooden box is supposed to slide like this, but the back part here is wood. But if it's this, it's a little slippery, so I would like to stick masking tape here. Yes, please choose a masking tape that is quite slippery on top. This time, I want to use a slightly thicker one, and I want to use it while cutting the width. Please cut the part that sticks out when you stick it on one side like this. Yes, it's a bit rough here, but it's okay if it becomes smoother overall. I will do the same on the opposite side. Yes, I've stuck it on 2 places on the longer side like this. Then I want to put the folding paper here facing the front. The origami paper I'm going to use this time is from this series and it's in a check pattern. I want to put this inside. First, put it in the box and it's left over like this. I'll make a crease with my nail on the part that's left over. Then please cut out the part that sticks out. There's a part here that's not enough, but please cut the origami in the same way for that part and put it inside. I think it's good if the length of this part is about the same width as the paper below overlaps a little. Then take it out once, and this time I want to stick it here with this bond. I think it's okay to use double-sided tape or something, but I use this bond. First, I will stretch the bond thinly around. Then it's okay to use leftover paper or cards or anything, but this is the paper that was in that bag. But I cut it a little smaller like this. To make it easier to use, fold it in half and stretch the bond immediately with this paper. Yes, I've stretched it out like this. Even if you don't put out a lot of bond, it can be stretched quite thin, so I think it's good to go little by little. Then, I'll start by pasting the smaller origami. Please paste the larger origami on top of what I've already pasted. Yes, then please prepare 3 boxes of the same kind. It's okay if one of them is not pasted on the back. The reason for not needing one is because it's just one box. The part that becomes the top is just glued as it is, so there is no need to slide it, so it's okay not to paste it. Yes, then this time I want to paste masking tape here in the same way so that it slides well. If you stand it up like this and this becomes the bottom, from the bottom to the second stage, paste the masking tape on the upper part of this, then I will paste it. Yes, this is still shaky. Well, as long as it doesn't cover the whole body, it's okay. So if the top becomes smooth, please fold and paste the part that sticks out firmly. Then, I will paste this one more step up. Yes, I have pasted the masking tape only on the part of the 2 stages below here. Please also paste the masking tape only on the part above the 2 stages below the other snow in the same way. This time, I would like to attach this wood that I cut first to this snow. So, well, first confirm the direction of this snow, and now the masking tape is attached here. So this is on the bottom. And well, this is the part where I want to stick this wood, but there are 4 of these snow woods in between the outside and the middle. I think I want to stick the wood in this part, so I would like to mark it with a ballpoint pen. Yes, I drew a line like this and marked it. Then I will use a glue gun to stand like this and bond this wood. I will keep it fixed. Since the glue is still warm and can move a little, please check here to make sure it's not slanted. Next, I want to apply glue here and stick the next part. And confirm the direction firmly, and now here, in the state where there is masking tape. For now, to match the height of the bottom, I will stand the part that becomes the pull-out on top here. And I apply glue here like this, and combine them. I'm thinking of fixing it here while adjusting the height, so I'll quickly do this part. I think we need to do it quickly or it won't work.
Yes.
I was able to fix it like this. This part is a bit difficult, but if you firmly fix it and there are parts that are a little loose afterwards, after applying the glue, lightly press it with this finger. It will be neat when you finish. Yes, I think this time I will stand the wood like this, and I think I am preparing something that does not stick masking tape on the back, but I want to fix it at the top level like this. At this time, a little gap can be created between the wood and the wood, but I made this gap. Please fix it as it is in this state. Yes, fix it like this with a glue gun. I was able to do it. In the meantime, I have inserted 2 things that I have pasted masking tape on the back to make it slide easily. Yes, I was able to put in 3 stages. Yes, there is a little width between this wood and the wood, but this width makes it easy to slide like this. And I have also pasted masking tape on the back of the wood below, so it slides smoothly and is easy to move. Then, at the end, I think I want to paste a seal of this kind of cereal to your liking. I was able to paste the seal in this way. This time, I tried to paste the seal on one side so that it would have a unified feel. Then, I think I want to put various things in here quickly. Yes, I tried to put it in like this. On the top, I put in nails and accessories, and then foundation like this. And in the middle, I can put in the lower ground or something like this. And I put in my favorite things. And at the very bottom, you can put in hand cream and small size capes and such. It's convenient to be able to pull out like this. And it's light because it's made of konyaku. And even if you make all of this, it's only 500 yen for the key. And even if you add origami or seals, it doesn't cost more than 1,000 yen. So I think it's a great deal. Please try it out, everyone. How was it? This time, I tried making a storage shelf like this. Unlike last time, this time it can be pulled out like this. You can put various things like cosmetics, nails, accessories, etc. It's really light, so you can put it on a desk or shelf, and there's also space at the very bottom, so I think it's convenient to buy one more of this and put it here. I think everyone has various. Please try to arrange it or refer to the video. And I have been writing articles as a writer on a blog called One Day Lab of Leo Paris recently. There, unlike the usual Mako channel, which has a lot of pretty things, I introduce do-it-yourself with a slightly antique and classical image different from Mako Ikeda of Mako channels, so please, if you are interested, please check it out. Yes, when the article is published, I will paste the uniform resource locator in the description, so please check it from there. Also, on Mako Ikeda's Mako channel, I upload 4 times a week on do-it-yourself and makeup. If you are interested, please also like, comment and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this time, it was a pull-out storage shelf with Mako Ikeda's 100 yen goods. Bye-bye.